Hello friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today we have a 16-inch by 12-inch foldable dry erase whiteboard. And so these are kind of handy for schoolwork or crafts, or just if you have a child that's artistic or likes to draw. This particular dry erase board comes with 5 different colors. These pens are magnetized. This board is also magnetized, so it sticks on there like that. These pens have erasers on the tip too. So we have 5 different colors. Everything but orange, well, pink, yellow, green, blue, and gray. So you can make pretty much any color with those. And then we have these cool little colorful magnets on here as well. All right, this is a film on here. So we'll go ahead and pull this off. Please tear off the protective film. All right, if we want to draw on that, we can take that off. And this should just unfold just like that, and it has these little things on the side. It's got this convenient little carry handle as well. So in order to push these back up, to fold it, just push those up and then bring that in. Folds up into an easy to carry little container there. Let's see how some of these things work on here. I consider myself not a very good artist here. Quite nicely draws on there. And then if you want to do the erase, it doesn't come with a large eraser, but the dry erase, this magnet here, or the one on the pen, you can use this little eraser. Also with a cloth or something. These dry erase ones, you can use a wet cloth or something to get that off, or a dry cloth. Either way, it's dry erase, so you can use a dry one. So this runs $23.99. It's at EAS and Willem. So I'll put this in the website link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. And if you're looking for something kind of handy, there's a lot of people COVID not doing school or schools at home. So if you have crafts or something for the kids to do. Something to be a little careful about, though, is this might need some supervision with little ones, because I could see maybe them getting their fingers pinched in here. So just got to be a little careful with that. So it's obviously not a children's toy, and you could have it set up so they could draw on this, but just be careful of that and cognizant of that fact. So. All right, my friends, so there you have it. If you're looking for a kind of a decent little dry erase board, I'll link this in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And then also, you could put this, if you're just for reminders for yourself, you could even draw a little calendar on here, mark special days with the magnets or whatever you want to do. So always kind of handy. And if you don't want to waste paper, you know, a lot of the books or something, and writing with a lot of paper and ink can kind of be a pain. But if you have this and you don't want to keep whatever you're drawing, paper is nice to have to be able to keep your memories. But if you don't and just want to have them draw on here, maybe take a picture and keep it that way. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.